May's Loot Crate. Let's have a seat. Let's have a look. See what's inside. Stay fucking. Oh fuck. Okay, fine. We'll do it that end. See what we got. A Marvel string. We have t-shirt. Check that in a minute. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's a puzzle. Great. Ice cube tray. Oh, that's kind of cool. An ice cube tray. Huh. Another pin. Team Fortress 2 pins. That's very nice. Age of Ultron. What's this, like a sticker? Not too sure. We have. Seems like to be a comic. Nope, that's not a comic, that's just like a booklet. That's probably the comic. Not sure. And then whatever this is. And then, oop. That is the inside of the box. So that's May's Loot Crate. Oh, I'm covering up the fucking lens, my bad. Very, very nice. Let's put everything back. Fuck's sake. That. And that. There you go, there's May's Loot Crate. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys. Bye.